Get in,
Okay, so
closer.
we talked about the 5 key fundamentals of putting. Ball position, eye line, accelerating stroke, quiet body, and holding our finish. You have to do those 5 things every putt to be a good putter. So if you take anything away from today's lesson, it'll be getting those 5 things down. I think that would be good for you, Thomas, to really focus on when you're putting. So make sure that you set up properly with your eye line and your ball position. Keep your body quiet. We had a lot of this going on. We want to hold our hands locked in together, and we want to hold our finish. So I think that would be good for you to sort of focus on moving forward. Then we talked about distance control, and the 3 things that affect distance control are centerness of contact, length of stroke, and speed of stroke. And like we talked about, Sean, you have your biggest issue in putting is distance control. So if you can keep 2 of those things constant and just change one or the other one based on your preference, I think you'll get a lot better at keeping it. Controlling the distance. Then we talked about what affects the line of the putt. That's our face angle and our path angle. So we want to keep our path straight back and straight through, and we really want to focus on having our face square to our target line at impact. And for you, what you were doing is coming through the ball, you're adding loft to the putter and opening the putter face by creating this angle in your wrist. So if you want to focus, if you're a right-handed player and you're wearing a watch on your left hand, which is your top hand, you want to focus on pushing that watch towards the target. We would rather take loft off of our putter at impact than add loft to it. Okay? So that's putting in a nutshell. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate it. It was good. It was fun.
Thanks for the help.
Yeah, we'll talk about getting something together for chipping and putting in a couple of weeks. There's a bunch of different ways to do things. But if you can take a lot of the variables out and kind of focus on using one part of the golf club, you're going to be pretty successful. We want to work on being able to dial it into that 2-foot circle, landing it in that 2-foot circle and understanding how the ball is going to react once it gets on the turf. If we want it to run out a lot, we're going to use less loft, so a higher number club. We're going to use that BLT motion where the ball's back in our stance and we're hitting it like a putt. That's really good when we have really long shots that are right next to the green. So if we're hitting it all the way back to that back flag, you're not really going to want to carry a 60-degree wedge over there. Just hit a little bump 8. The other one we talked about, where we're maintaining our face angle through impact and all the way through, getting the ball up in the air, exposing the ball to the grooves, a little bit more spin, a little bit more bite on the green. It's going to be really good when there's something in front of us, like a excuse me, like a bunker or water or a tree. Okay. Other than that, if anyone doesn't have any questions, same grip as a regular golf swing. Ball position's a little bit different, but if we can learn to use this part of the golf club, which you don't even think would be important, get the ball up in the air, land it soft, get it close to the hole. Take the pressure off the putter. That's the most important part. All right? Go